Hi folks, my name is Arsen. I've been a software engineer for 15 years now, and I decided to start this video course on programming to share some of the knowledge I gained during these 15 years, especially the fundamentals and the things that I consider absolutely essential for any software engineer or programmer or whatever other title you have. So the course will be about, as I said, the fundamentals. We'll start with fundamentals. We'll start with the principles, the concepts, the very low level details of what the program is, how it is executed, what it is for, how to think about it, how to model a problem in the context of any programming language, and we'll keep evolving those ideas. So eventually we'll get to a part where we'll have coding exercises, we'll solve some problems, we'll start with modeling more complex problems, and eventually we'll be able to basically take some not very complex problem and translate it to some objects and behaviors and functions and a whole solution in any programming language or some non or language agnostic pseudocode or even flowcharts. I don't know. So that's what the course will be about. I think how it will be different from other numerous courses existing right now. I am not familiar obviously with all of them, but I think the main difference will be, as I said, I will try to keep it as much language agnostic as possible. So we'll pick a specific language only when it's absolutely necessary to write code or to illustrate some specific thing which is only available or implemented in a subset of languages. So we'll pick one of them, but otherwise I'll try to keep everything as abstract in terms of a language as possible. So otherwise, I think the course will be still for beginners. I don't think experienced engineers will gain much, although there will be some information important for them too, but most of the content will be redundant for them, so it will be a little bit waste of time, I think, if they just watch all the videos. So what you need to know to watch these videos and learn, I think you just need some basic math like addition, subtraction of numbers, multiplication, yeah, of course. So at least in the beginning, several chapters where we learn the basics, that will be more than enough. What you need to have, so obviously you need some device, a computer or a tablet, but ideally with a keyboard and where you can comfortably type and do some exercises. So other than that, you only need to have a desire to learn and follow this course. So in terms of length, I'll try to keep every single video up to 10 minutes at most, or in case we have some problems to solve and examples to illustrate some things which will take longer, maybe I'll keep it a little longer. I'll split the videos. So in terms of the whole course, I don't have a complete plan yet where I will end and how much content I will include. So I cannot answer that question yet. We'll see as we go. We'll come to some logical ending, but I want to make it so that at the end of the course you have some skills, you have some knowledge, and you feel confident enough and comfortable in taking a problem and modeling it, converting it to some programming language and basically solving the problem, writing the code for it, and understanding why you wrote that code, how that code will execute, and what it will do behind the scenes. So that's my goal, to have everything as simple as possible. Simple doesn't mean easy, but yeah, I think eventually that's how it should be. So if you can easily grasp everything, and for you standard problem will be no issue for you to translate into code, that's my goal. So yeah, that's basically about the length of the course. in terms of structure, I think this one will only be where I just talk. Starting from the next video, I'll be doing some visuals, illustrations, maybe giving you some extra links, or maybe showing you some images, maybe writing. I don't think we'll write any code in the beginning. We might write some pseudocode or just illustrate. We might even pick some programming language for kids where you have like these visual blocks, like Scratch language, where you just pick the blocks, stick to each other, and you come up with this program which runs. So that's, I think, more than enough for the beginning, and that's how we'll be illustrating the first several chapters, or at least the beginning. That's should work fine for us. So I think that's all I wanted to say. So I hope, again, my goal is to share my knowledge, and the more people will gain something from that, the happier I will be. And so I wish you all good luck in learning, and wish me good luck in making this course, and see you in the next video. Thank you.